Apocalypse Manufacturing stunned the world when they unveiled the Warlord, a Ram 1500 TRX 6x6, but now the company has gone one step further by tuning the Leviathan's supercharged Hellcat engine to spew forth a total of 800 horsepower, paired with its state-of-the-art 6-wheel drive system that equally powers all 3 axles all the time. The first of these ultimate charged vehicles was sold off in Scottsdale on January 29, 2022 at the nation's greatest car collector auction, Barrett-Jackson. The Warlord starts life as the Ram 1500 TRX, the fastest production truck ever, taking the top spot in its battle for horsepower supremacy against Ford and their F-150 Raptor. The TRX features the much revered supercharged 6.2 liters HEMI V8, which puts out 707 horsepower, 650 feet-pound of torque, and can travel 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 4 seconds. This intimidating machine features 6 massive 37-inch all-terrain tires mounted on 20-inch bronze-colored SFJ wheels that were designed by Apocalypse Manufacturing, making it ready to take on a post-apocalyptic world. A 7th spare is set atop the pickup bed to round out its barbaric look. With full-time 6-wheel drive, the unadulterated power of this truck is something that needs to be experienced to be believed. It is available for test drive only at the Apocalypse Manufacturing facility located at 665 Northwest 4th Avenue, Fort Lauderdale, Florida.